Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on autoplay on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on autoplay on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. After opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us at the bottom right, just beside the subscription. Tap on the U button, guys. And over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the gear or the settings icon available for us. Tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner and you land on this interface. Tap on the autoplay button over here, which is the fourth option. Tap on it and you'll find the autoplay next video option available for us. Now in order to turn it on, tap on the toggle icon at the right side where it says the mobile phone/tablet. Tap on it, and with that being done, guys, your autoplay on YouTube will be turned on. And there, guys, this is how to turn on autoplay on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.